Hi everybody, it's Ramona. I am here with 3 project shares for you from KSCRAFT'S on Aliexpress. Yeah, I don't even know which one to get started on because these were actually a lot of fun to put together. Let's see now. Let's go ahead and start with the mailbox, and that's this one right here. This was the toughest one to put together. Okay, let's see here. Let me get this together because there are a lot of pieces that go into putting this together. Okay, I wanted to give you a close-up look at that. And I probably did this the hard way because I wanted to have a background layer, which is the white that you see here, and then the pink. So I had to cut everything out twice and layer everything. Okay, see how this has white on the bottom here and white here and around here. Okay, so it opens up. I put a purse magnet on it that I got from Joann's. You can see that. It comes with, it's almost like brads that you have to put on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. Don't know. Yeah, you can see how that has the little arms on it that close. Okay, so anyway, so that snaps shut. I used a Tim Holtz little keyhole here that I painted with a paint pen. I painted it gold, just because it went with this a little bit better. I used some pearl trim on it that I got from Michael's. Some Anna Griffin pieces here. This is all Tim Holtz. The chain is Tim Holtz. The key is Tim Holtz. The butterfly that you see here is actually a barrette from Joann's. Okay, and it has the slit at the top, the happy mail, and then this. So let me go ahead and go through the pieces for you and show you something. If I can get this open. Okay, so you get, let me go ahead and measure it first so that you see how large it is. So the box itself is 6.5 inches. The whole box, including the little top here, is a total of 8 inches by 5 inches. So it's 8 inches tall, 5 inches wide. Okay, so I'm going to move this over here. So I'm going to show you something. So you get all of these pieces. Okay, you get this little post. It says post mail. And instead of like just mail or post office or whatever, it says post mail for some reason. Maybe they use that overseas. I'm not sure. And then you get all of these little dies here that you can use on it. And then you have a lock and a key. Kind of like I put a lock and key on mine, but these you just cut out with paper. I found them to be a little flimsy, like especially this right here. I had originally cut this out and then cut this out, and then I cut a little hole in there, and I thought it was supposed to hang, but there's really no place for you to put it to hang it. Okay, so I couldn't quite figure that one out. This is your back piece. Okay, this is your slot for the top. All right. And then you have the front. That's this right here. You have the top. You will cut both of these out once. They are the sides here to add the little curvature to it. You have these pieces here. This would go like this, and that's this piece right here, this right here. Okay, now there is no bottom piece. to go on the bottom. Okay, to go right here. So I took the top piece up here, I cut it out, and I shortened it. I just cut it here, and then it fit. Okay, now I did layer this several times to add some weight to the bottom. Okay, and then this right here is your back piece. Okay, so that is this piece right here. And you can run this through your machine with paper, with long paper, okay? And that means you can make this as long as you want to, okay? So I just didn't even really make it long. I just attached it to the back here because I liked it better. I didn't like that big, bulky look to it, or the long. I thought it was long enough, let me put it that way, okay? So that's your tip for this one. Another tip that I have is, it is a pain in the butt to do the background pieces, like the shadow pieces like I did here. So if there's a way for you not to do that, I would go ahead and say just don't even do it, because that took me forever as well. Now, I did not use the dies that say post mail on them. Okay. And you know, I just now thought, I couldn't figure this out. I wonder, like this piece right here, I'll bet you can, this is just a thought, use it to put an insert in here and then put your little dies at the top to make tags to put inside of it. There's an option for you that I hadn't thought about until now. Okay, so that is that. And I'm going to show you coming up next where I got the Happy Mail die from. The Happy Mail die is actually this die right here. Okay, that right there. So we'll jump into the next project right now. But just remember that this right here is this here. Okay. Oops, I forgot to put that one in here, and I will lose it because this bag is really tight. I don't know why there is no bottom. I remember Tony saying it was missing a piece, but I thought it was the top for some reason. Okay, so this right here is a large, and I did order the large tag holder. Okay. It's made to hold tags on the inside, okay? But I opted to put note cards inside. That's what these are. They're just note cards, okay? So you can gift them with note cards in them. Okay. Let's see if I can get this back in here now that I got it out. Okay, there we go. All right. So here are the pieces for this one. Let me see if I remember how to do this. So this is your back piece back here. Okay. You got your side, all of your sides. This is your front piece. Again, you can cut out your layer piece like I did. I did 2 different colors. And then you have, I can't even pick that up. And then you have your side piece and your bottom piece. This is your bottom piece, or this is your bottom piece to go on the bottom. You have your side pieces and your shadow pieces. Okay. And then here's your mailbox. Let's see if I can pick this up. It's hard to pick these up, guys, when you have nails. Okay. So there's a happy birthday and a happy mail. So this is what I used on this one as well as the other die. This is Happy Birthday. Okay, that is your top layer or Happy Mail. And then this would be your bottom layer. Okay. So that's where I got the Happy Mail from the other project. Okay. So this finished project here is 5.5 by 6.5. Okay, so I put one of my bows at the top. I have a tutorial on how to do that. This is a bling piece from Joann's. Again, they have the best bling pieces. And see how I layered it for different colors? And that's just your back. And then your bottom to make it stand. And it stands perfectly fine with stuff in it. Okay, so there's that project. And again, the flowers come from Anna Griffin. I'm going to wait to put this one away. This one's got too many small pieces. Okay, then we have this card that I made right here. This is an easel card. I hope you guys can see how that stands up. Okay, it's just a regular easel card. And I made it with this die right here. So I layered that one twice. We have this layer and this layer right here. I have lace from Daiso that I had. And then the bow, again, that I have a tutorial on. The bling is from Aliexpress. And yeah, guys, I thought it turned out really, really, really cute. And you could actually make this one more masculine if you wanted to for Father's Day, right? So this die right here, the heart die, the heart frame die is 5 1/4. The larger one by 4 1/4. And then the inner one that I used to layer with is 4 by 3 1/2. Okay, guys, I'll link all the information down in the description box below. I hope that you enjoyed these projects. I thought they turned out super cute. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.